So last night we decided that we want to have a dolly. So that's an item that we'll use to move our camera to get some more dynamic shots. But we don't have one, so we decided to build one, but we are in a rush. We need to leave in 2 hours, so we'll see if we can pull it off.
These two aluminum rods will be sitting next to each other like this. This I'll create sides with legs so we can sit it and it's nice and stable. So I want to drill a hole inside and have it over this. We have a nice and snug fit so it slides very smoothly. And then it's gonna sit on the top like this. And then this old school head will sit on this like this. And we see the camera, nice and smooth motion anywhere. Message for you, Lucas, Radim and Richie. I know it can be done better, but sometimes it's better to make it wrong than not at all. So this should be it. This should be our moving plate. Pretty goddamn good to me. And Margaret says spray painting takes a while to dry. Not when Ladi bunny does that. So that would go straight to this. Easily go over and extend the range, but do I actually care about that range? I don't think so. What if I keep it actually, it would make it something like this. That's how it would go. Make sure these holes are the same distance, because if they are not, I wouldn't be able to get it on one side. See? And I have this distance exactly. I feel like I have around 10 minutes left. That's time pressure and I'm almost done. We only had 2 hours to make this dolly, and we kind of succeed because I was able to make all the parts, they fit together, but now I need to glue everything together on a location. There's no time to waste, that's why I like mammoth glue. Mammoth power, and it only takes one sleep for everything to be ready. That looks great. Wow, that's better than I expected. That's a huge range. It's 150 centimeters and seems to be pretty good. I'm gonna just use some silicone spray. That's perfect. It's ready for the camera. And this thing now allows us
to make shots like this.